All right, this is Frank with Christenson Transportation. Good Friday morning. Hope everybody's having a good day. Friday's cleaning tip. I always do the sleeper on Friday, which consists of my sleeper. Let's get turned around and take a look at that. We got all that. I wipe it all down. There's the Febreze that I spray at the end. I clean my back windows. Back window, wipe down all the leather and the vinyl. That's the extra bunk. I wipe all that down. And that's my Friday cleaning tip. Of course, the products I use, and no, I'm not getting sponsored or paid for this, is the Armor All cleaning wipes. And then my glass cleaner, which I've done most of the cleaning back here already. At the end of the day, when I'm done cleaning back here, I move everything out of the way. Whoops. And then I get my Febreze. I like Febreze because it has a no odor to it, the one I use. Give one final spray. Put that back up there for now. Get my pillows out, back up here in the front. Put my pillows back in place. Pillows back in place. And then I'll go back and hang the curtains back up. Get that out of the way. Little storage hooks I put in there to keep stuff organized. And then, of course, screens for saving fuel in the winter or summer. I use them year round. They go in the front windshield, or in the front side of the truck. Sorry about that, I'm just getting up. Anyways, that's Friday's cleaning tip. Hope y'all enjoyed the series. Hope this makes it easier and a little more routine of getting your truck clean a little bit a day. You know, makes it look better at the end of the week. Anyways, enjoy your Friday. Get home to your loved ones, stay safe, and we'll see you later.